Why would he go deep? Is there a method to things?
Go!
This seems so wrong.
Oh, he's gonna lock us out, isn't he?
Oh.
No, he's not. Okay, he cut around. Someone go that way. Ross, stick with me. I don't have a primary!
Right. And I have a primary, secondary, and a backup.
Where's the... Oh, you have that tooth?
That's in case things get really bad.
Okay, there he is. About time what we're recording is going to be worth something.
This doesn't feel right. I know I could hit him from here, but I really don't want to.
You will hit him. Get him, Lizzo, get him! No, you're going to stop right there? Yeah. Why is he cutting through the freeze?
Make it harder. Should I shoot?
Yeah, if you can hit him.
That was close.
There's no way that little thing's going to hit us from here.
Yeah, it's not going to hit. It doesn't travel that far. To shoot like a grenade now. Way up in the air. I'm running out of bullets.
You have quite a few bullets in there. I have 18 left.
Holy crap.
Am I hitting him?
Oh, you're hitting something.
Yes, because we all ran from that.
I didn't even hear him do anything.
This thing's pretty brutal.
Oh, it does hit.
Oh, he's cutting to the left. Go, go. We got him. In the groin. Go, go, go. Looks great.
Now I feel bad.
You hit him in the groin. Now I hit him like 6 times. He's just like, stop, stop.
They go up and then they come down. So I aimed up and it came down. I feel bad now. I just hit my cousin in the nuts.
Go, go. Get anywhere. I know what he wants to do. That hide behind his car.
That's mean. I shoot the windshield down on my truck.
That was good. Ow, you fucker.
I feel bad. Shot him in the freaking head.
I don't know where I hit him, but I know I hit him with this because you shoot it and you were thwap.
That was a long shot too, though.
I gotta be running low on ammo soon. What the fuck? Go! Get the fuck! That one took the head off!
Whoa, what? He wasn't shooting at you!
You was so!
No, you're shooting at Dave!
Where's Dave at?
He was there! He was behind my truck!